5x5 closure vs 4x4 closure. Which lace closure is best for your hair? Choosing the right lace closure is one of the most important decisions when installing hair extensions or wigs. Among the most popular options available today are the 5x5 closure and the 4x4 closure. Both types are widely used in the hair industry, yet many people struggle to understand the real difference between them. The debate around 5x5 closure vs 4x4 closure often comes down to factors such as coverage, styling flexibility, installation process, and overall appearance. Whether you are a first-time wig wearer, a hairstylist, or someone looking to upgrade your hairstyle, understanding these differences can help you achieve the most natural and comfortable result. This comprehensive guide will explain everything you need to know about 5x5 closure vs 4x4 closure, so you can confidently choose the option that suits your needs. https rawhairluxury.com/5x5-closure-vs-4x4-closure-best-for-your-hair/ #rawhairluxury. Number 5x5 closure vs 4x4 closure. Number 5x5 closure. Number 4x4 closure. #lace closure.